What if ChatGPT could not only code your entire SaaS, but also host it for free? Well, 2 weeks ago, Google released the Firebase Studio, and I am about to raise it from idea to URL within minutes. So stick around, because at the end I'm going to show you how by one prompt I designed this beautiful landing page and how you can do the same. Bolt.new, $20 retainer. Replit, around the same. They're all great tools, but your credit card will certainly feel the push. So why can Google then float free? Well, Google plays the long game. 3 workspaces, 5 gigs of storage, and 2 million function calls, all for a total of $0. Instead, they are betting for you to scale on their infrastructure. So, what I can only tell you is use this while it's free. So here's this exact prompt that spits out this gorgeous high-ticket landing page. This full prompt can be found inside of my free Discord server that you can join with the link in my description. But please, I beg you, don't click out just yet, and you'll see why extremely shortly. Boom, there we have it. React, CSS, Tailwind, Framer Motion, everything in one place. But now, as you can see, the navbar text is black, so we can just stress test it and say like that. Now Gemini is going to patch the code, because as you can see when you scroll, it has this beautiful color, but when you're at the top, it just is transparent. So let me see how Gemini fixes it. So you can see it's looking very nicely. Turn bottlenecks into breakthroughs. Feeling the friction, trusted by industry leaders. The AI advantage. Core AI services. Examples. Beautiful carousel. $200. See, revenue increase, annual cost savings, FAQs, strategy call, everything just like that. And if you go to the top right, click switch to code, the Explorer is going to load up where you have all of your code files that you can edit. Let's say I want to edit maybe some UI. I have it in here. Switch to prototype. I can go back. But now we're going to publish and we're going to see how it looks. So when you click publish, this is going to pop up Firebase project. Select it next. Link an account. So I'll just set up account and I'll be right back. So my account has been set up. I'm going to hit next. Setting up your environment, enabling app hosting, letting this stuff load. Create a rollout. So now this is going to load and I'll be right back at you when it's fully complete. So the cost really tells the story in this case. Firebase is completely free, while Bolt costs $18 if billed yearly, and Replit Core costs $20 if billed yearly. And with this you're limited with monthly credits in both Replit but also in Bolt. But who should really care about a product like this? Well, most obvious is if you run a small dev shop or an agency, or you're just a solo tech person at a company, then this is going to be your absolute cheat code. But let's not forget that even if you run, let's say, a gardening company or a dealership or something, you can always use this tool for free to both build but also host your website, landing pages, maybe a portfolio, or just anything. This is a real game changer for almost everyone. But let's have a quick reality check. It's still a preview software. Pricing can shift, and you have custom domains, which is good, but you're also riding on Google's tech stack. So my recommendation is always to plan an exit pathway, and I think you should do this in this case as well. But for prototypes, client demos, and also just hosting or building your own website, go ahead, please. I'm telling you, while this is free, just go. But also, if you are looking to automate your business using AI or to build custom sales pipelines also using AI, then I'm your guy. So please click the first link in my description to visit my website. And if you join my free Discord community, you can find this prompt, but also a lot of AI templates, and also connect with other like-minded enthusiasts. And we're now over 300 people, which is insane. So thank you so much. But before we wrap up, I want to tell you all thank you so very much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video.